Who do you spend most time studying, working with?
Since I live with my mother only, so it is my mother I spend most of the time. But definitely she does not study with me, I study alone.
Okay. What kind of things do you study, work or with other people?
I study, as I said, I don't have anybody to study with, so I study alone and I study new languages or do my homework and the work that has been provided by the teacher.
Okay. Are there times when you study by yourself?
Self study.
Yes.
Yes, after coming from college or school, I do 2 to 3 hours of self study. I do the homeworks and revise what has been taught in the class.
Tell me about your educational qualifications.
I completed my 10th class in 2020 and from Delhi Public School Nalanda, and from there I shifted to Dhanbad and I completed my high school from Sri Suryadev Singh Smriti Gurukulam from CBSE board. My stream was science and currently I am enrolled in Bachelor's of Business Administration program.
Can you tell me about your work? Sorry, this is not your work, you are studying actually.
Yes.
So, what are your hobbies?
In my free time, I like watching web series and keeping myself fit by doing exercise and acquiring new languages. I believe my hobbies, especially learning a new language and watching web series, broadens my perspective and it also broadens my understanding of diverse culture.
Do you like flowers?
Not much, but yeah, I like them.
Okay. Is there any color you don't like?
No, there is no such color that I don't like. Uh, it's
So,
like
which is your favorite color? You can tell.
purple.
Okay, why?
Purple is the last color of the rainbow. It means that I love you and trust you forever.
This is the only reason. Any other reason?
No, not this is the only reason. It is a quote that I wanted to say, so I just utilized the opportunity. There is no such reason. I just like purple color.
Okay. So here is a cue card for you. You have to talk about an interesting news you have heard or read. What is the news about? What was your experience at that time? Write whom you shared the news and why you were so excited. You have 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak.
Can I start?
Yes.
I used to live in Dhanbad. So there we don't have much place to visit. So the most interesting news for me was when I heard a trampoline park is being opened in my city. So at that time I was very excited. There is a mall, Prabhatam Grand Mall, and it is a very big mall. It has a shop for everything. In that shop, the trampoline park was about to inaugurate it. So when I heard that news, I was so excited that I called my cousin and shared this news with her, and we planned to go there after its inauguration. So since that day we started collecting money, and when finally it inaugurated, we went there, we had lots of fun. The trampoline park was huge. As we entered the trampoline park, we can see trampolines all around it and sponges. There were several activities like we have to walk on a thin roll and it will move, so it is very risky, but it is not risky. Down there were many sponges, so if we fall, we will not be hurt. It will be fun. And the other activities includes zip line and also jumping into the pool of sponges and soft toys. So it was a very nice experience, very fun experience. I would suggest that if you are in Dhanbad, it is a must visit place.
Okay. What is the best way of getting publishing advertisements?
Best way of publishing advertisements, I would say, is posting on social media.
Hmm.
Nowadays, social media is getting very like everyone is using social media. Everyone, almost 90% of the population, we can say. So it is a very good way to advertise for something on social media.
Okay. Do you think newspaper is a good way of for the advertisements?
It was good in earlier times, but nowadays people don't generally read newspapers, so it won't be that effective.
All right. What do they do to increase the sale of the newspaper? If the newspaper is not becoming popular now, what can they do for this?
They can do several things like doing door to door service, which they do generally, but they should make it better, and they should improve the quality of the paper. They should add more pictures, like better pictures, better quality pictures, and by posting, sorry, not posting, by publishing real news uh, that that will really aware people about what's happening around the world. So
So, what is the criteria to make the advertisement more impressive?
there can be several ways. Several ways. First one is by using if it is a big company, then they can definitely hire a model or a celebrity. But if it is not, then they should use their pictures, make puddings, add interesting quotes, and paste those puddings everywhere. And also by doing the advertisement, like announcement, they can announce as well. So that's all, I can't think of much.
Okay, now we have another speaking class, and first your speaking is over. Now, next speaking part is part one. Is summer your favorite time of the year?
No, summer is really not my favorite time of the year because in my country summers are not pleasant. They are very harsh.
Okay. What do you do in summer when the weather is very hot?
When the weather is very hot, we don't do anything. We just turn on the AC and stay inside our house.
Do you go on holiday every summer?
When I was a kid, when I was in school, then every summer, like we have summer vacation, and on summer vacation, we used to go to our grandparents' house. But since I completed my school, so I don't go anywhere on summer vacation.
Did you enjoy the summer holidays when you were at school?
Yes, at that time I enjoyed summer vacation a lot. Summer holidays were the were my favorite part of the year. As I mentioned earlier that me and my mother, we used to go to our grandparents' house, so we used to have a lot of fun there. So summer holidays were my favorite part.
Okay, then here is a cue card for you. Describe a luxury item you would like to own in the future. You should say what item you would like to own, what this item looks like, and why you would like to own this item. So, and explain whether you think you will ever own this item. And here is a cue card for you. You have 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak.
Expensive item I would like to buy.
Luxury item.
Okay. Um, I would like to buy a luxury car. It is a car that Mercedes Maybach. It is a very luxurious car, and it is very. I'm sorry. Uh, in Maybach, the luxury is on next level. Like they have very comfortable seats, uh, the stars on the ceiling of the car. Can we use the word ceiling for the car?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So on the ceiling of the car, they have stars when the lights are turned off. They have means we can completely what we say we can completely make the car as we want. We can order to have anything like a mini fridge or a TV, a sofa, or whatever we want. We can order it, and they will transform it for us. So maybe
So, like you want to say amendments, you can do anything like amend in
yes.
ways that you want. Mhm.
So it is a very luxury. Mercedes is a very luxury brand. We know that, and Maybach is one of their most luxurious cars. So in future, I would like to buy it. And yes, I believe if I work hard, then I can buy it definitely.
So, what is the main motive of purchasing this? Why you want to purchase it?
As I am fond of cars, I am really interested in cars, expensive cars, luxurious cars. So there is no such motive, but yeah, it is my interest. It is my cup of tea.
Okay. So, that is the third round. Uh, which expensive item would many young people in your country like to buy?
Well, it is iPhone. Young people in my country are fond of iPhone. Like everyone will have iPhone in this time. Even if they can't afford it, they will take an EMI. They will take it on loan, and like everyone will have iPhone.
Okay. How do the expensive items that young people want to buy differ from those that older people want to buy? Can I repeat the question?
Yes.
How do the expensive items that the younger people want to buy differ? They differ from the expensive items which are owned by the people earlier.
As I mentioned, that young people nowadays are fond of iPhone a lot. So, but in earlier time, people when they had money, they think about their future. They think about their kids, like buying a home or buying a land. So they used to utilize their money in proper and reasonable things. But now at times, younger people are just want to own an iPhone.
Do you think that the people are more likely to buy expensive items for their friends or for themselves?
For themselves. Uh, when it comes to gifting someone something, uh, we prefer to give something cheaper, and expensive things are owned by us only. But if we have like a lot of money, we can gift expensive things to others as well. But generally, I'm talking about a middle class. They don't.
Okay, how difficult is it to become very rich in today's world?
It is very difficult actually, as the tax is very high, and not just the tax, competition we can say has increased a lot. India is on number one when it comes to population, so you can imagine how uh, the competition has increased. So it is very difficult to be super rich in this time.
So, do you agree that the money does not necessarily bring happiness?
No, I don't agree with this. I believe that money can buy happiness. Not actually buy. It is a wrong term. It is a wrong term to say money can buy happiness. No, nothing can buy happiness. But if Generally, in general terms, if we see, then yes, money can solve our most of the problems. And when we don't have any problem, we are genuinely happy.
In what ways might rich people use their money to help society?
By doing charity and mm, by donating their money for for welfare of the society, like by donating their money in the orphanage and to the government as well, by paying huge amount of taxes.